go.
There we go. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Technical
Happy
difficulties
Thursday.
as per our usual.
Look at us in our Costco sweaters today.
Oh, that's from Costco too?
Yeah.
I didn't see that one.
Cute, right?
It is cute. I wore this because I always check the weather, because even though we're in a controlled temperature environment, it's not really.
No.
If it's sunny outside, it is hotter than blazes in here.
It doesn't matter.
Southern
It could be
facing
like
windows.
minus 30.
And so my weather app said it's going to be mostly cloudy today. I think that was a lie.
One might argue.
So and this is like double, at least 2 layers on the top. I am going to be a sweaty Betty by the end of the day.
Yeah, and I actually didn't put a shirt under this, and I was like, that's risky business, but here we are.
So we're a little smelly. Sorry about that.
Our backs are a little...
Kim, on the other hand, is in a t-shirt. I was like, she knew.
knows. She knows.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing better, though, when you're just like, it's so hot in here, and then you feel the air conditioner come on over the cutting table. You're just like, oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm. Like, it's great. Like, the air conditioning does come on in the middle of winter in here because of the southern sun. Like, it gets so hot. Anyway, thank you all for the birthday love.
Yes.
We so appreciate it. I'm always just so amazed by our little corner of the quilting universe, and so thankful. And yeah, it was a great, all of you that turned out for the sale was like,
wow.
Whoa.
Yeah. Half a decade.
I know. If you would ask me that 5 years ago,
Half a
like,
decade
oh my
ago.
God, like that seemed impossible that
Right?
we would be here, but
Here we are.
5 years, and yeah.
Oh.
So, well, that's not getting answered. Sorry about that.
9:59:59 is the soonest. Oh, unless you're Kim in the back, she'll answer it.
She was feeling bad because it was ringing.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, thank you so much, and I had a great birthday.
Yes.
The store had a great birthday.
Lordy,
So-
lordy. Jamie's
41.
41.
I
The
came,
big 4-1.
I came home and my husband had made carrot cake cupcakes because they're my favorite. And I came home and my oldest had jammed as many candles as he could into the cupcake. And he wouldn't let me come in the kitchen until he had them all lit. And there were so many, he was like burning himself. So he like sang me a little happy birthday, just him, and I blew them out and I didn't get one. He's like, "Ooh, boyfriend." I was like, "Ooh, daddy." Yeah, it was super cute.
That's really sweet.
Really cute.
I love that.
All right. Oh, we're pretty light today, I'll be honest. We're still in our little fabric job.
Like, where's the fabric?
Still waiting.
I think, 24 of the 152 bolts?
No, this wasn't even on our
This
list.
wasn't even... No. 20 some odd bolts arrived, but 152 are still in
Waiting.
purgatory.
April, gonna be busy.
I hope you all are looking to build your fabric stashes.
Okay, so what did arrive
What are...
this week
I love this.
was Nest from Figo.
Mm-hmm.
This, I wonder if you can guess whose purchase this was.
I just love it so much.
It's so pretty.
It's so beautiful. So this is one of their basics. So reorderable.
Yes, I think. Question mark.
I cannot wait to help people build their quilts using these
Yes.
because they're so lovely. I think they play so nicely with the Liberties and the Tildas.
So there's 4 prints in all the different colors.
Yes.
So obviously the dot, the little seam stripe, gingham, and then the teeny tiny star.
I love that little star. Oh, it's so nice.
It's so pretty.
Oh, and this little pink gingham. I'm so happy to have some tiny ginghams too,
Yes.
because I feel like that's been a popular request lately. And this brown and pink palette.
And they're done in such a way it doesn't make your eyes go.
Yes. No googly eyes over here.
No googly eyes. So it's in one big bundle. We didn't split this one.
Because it's just perfection, as is.
So, all 24. And then
what really, like, in the catalog as I was flipping through, it really caught my eye.
Was this pattern, but done in these fabrics. So guess who's already started a little sample? And look at you branching out, trying new things.
Trying new things. This is my first time using a template. Duh.
And curves, right?
Yeah, and curves.
And you're doing such a good job.
Thank you. It is so fun. Like, even though it is the same block, it's not the same block.
Right. So did you cut them up and you just choose randomly, like what's going with what?
Yeah. So got everything all cut out. My hips were bothering me, so I was like, I need a job or like something to do around my house so that I'm just like standing. So I set it up on my little island and like got all my pieces cut out, and then went and like marked all my half square triangles, and then 2 days later I was like, okay, let's do this, and then realized that I marked it with an air dry.
Oh, whoops.
Except for that spot. I don't know what's going on there, but it doesn't matter. I was like, that's great. So
so don't use an air erase, because when they say, then the air erase says 2 to 3 days, they really mean 2 to 3 hours.
And in this case it would have been 2 days anyway. So I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, everything's gonna be marked and ready to go. Twice. So yeah, anyways, these are my little blocks and they're so much fun. And I paired, like, in the pattern, obviously, like, it makes suggestions, and there's like a pinwheel version where you can do like whites or like a low volume,
background kind of.
and yeah, it suggested just to like try and piece like contrast just so that you don't lose the shape.
So you are making the large throw, right?
Yeah.
So you need 25 fat quarters for that. The bundle has 24. And then we were like, wow, all you need is, and for the binding you need 0.6. So get an extra like 0.75.
Yeah.
Or a meter of one of
one.
them. And then you have it all.
You have your binding and your and it's perfect because you cut them at like 9 by 9 squares, so you get 4 out of a fat quarter. And with these templates, like, minimal waste.
Oh, good.
Like, it's like it's like a piece like that.
Oh, sweet.
Is like, yeah, really, really great. And then I have a 7.5 inch Creative Grids ruler, and it's just so easy. Yeah. Just line it up on there. Give yourself a little 1/4 inch on each side. And the curves, this is a very gradual curve. Like, this isn't scary.
There's nothing aggressive there.
It isn't. And from doing bags, I feel like I have a little experience doing the curves. But this is easier because you don't need to, like, trim your shape.
Well, it looks so good.
Thank you. I love
this
it.
This was like, I feel like this quilt was the reason we bought it.
Yes.
Line. Here, can we get them up? Oh.
I just love it so much. I can't wait until it's done and I can see it in all of its goodness.
Yes.
And again, truly so fun. Each block is different. Even like each pairing like that is different. Right. And then you pair it with that and it's different. And then
so good. So good.
It is one of those ones, I think it's one of those patterns that like you could do in a bazillion different ways and it feels different every time.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Anyways.
That's Nest and Twice Baked. Okay.
And this is Holly Clarke. And I think...
Is she Canadian?
I'm pretty sure she is Canadian. I feel like 95% sure on that.
Excellent.
And then a Nest is from Figo, which is
Canadian.
Also Canadian. And the price point on it...
Lovely.
People are really loving it for their backings.
Yes.
The price
very,
point.
very affordable way to get a backing. Okay. Then, when Leslie gets bored at the end of the day and she needs an end of the day project...
Yes.
She either makes scrap packs, or in this case, she made little kits
for the
champagne
Christmas pillow, which is actually Louise Papas. But champagne Christmas, so cute. This was Marilyn's.
So the kits are gonna be slightly different than this, because this was done a number of years ago.
K2 helped pick some of these golds. It was actually, I gotta say, it was K2's idea because we had...
Kim too. Because we're that lazy.
We just quickly identify people real quick around here. We had a bag of low volumes.
Yes.
And she was like, what about... Yes, correct. Great idea.
Like, super quick, super fun, but so beautiful.
So beautiful. And, like, what a cool gift. Like, that'd just be such a nice gift.
Yes. This would not survive around my house. In the white.
Too low volume?
Yeah. But
anyways,
I love it.
We have these Christmas champagne pillow kits, and I'm quite delighted about them.
Mm-hmm. They're very pretty.
Yeah, that's my go-to. Little kits like that, or scrap packs, or fat quarters. It's my
everybody needs a little decompression activity at
my
the end of the day.
hour-long decompression.
Some people it's tidying. Some people it's remnanting. You know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then last on our list. Last week we talked about how we had a couple burrows and
Block of Maroc.
I don't know why I cannot get those straight in my mind. Anyway, we also have 2 Pick a Petal full kits left over. So this was Jen's. It was a 6-month template of the month from Jen using her last excellent idea. I was like, oh man, we don't have one of the full thing. Using her last fabric collection.
So beautiful.
And then there's some, I think we added like maybe 2 meters of store fabric to it. So anyway, I finally got my act together and got the two remaining kits online, which is usually what it takes. Is I just have to, I put it off, and I'm like, oh, that only took me 10 minutes.
Yes, I feel like every single thing I've ever put off ever is like that. So beautiful.
Yes.
The Pick a Petal.
We've seen a few completed, and oh man, they're so good.
I had a dream yesterday that I was like really good at applique.
Really?
Yes.
Maybe that's your sign to start something new.
Marilyn will be delighted.
Yes. So 2 Pick a Petal kits.
I say that because there's applique.
There is. There's. I mean, not
So
a whole lot, but like these little flowers on this border here. It's so pretty.
It really is. It's so.
Our friend Lorraine, who taught our hand quilting class, hers is done, and she's currently hand quilting it. And when she has it complete, she's gonna let us. She's gonna bring it in so we can put it on display, show everybody how beautiful it is.
It's so beautiful.
Can't wait.
My little hexie quilt that I'm
Yes.
working on, that I'm hand quilting. I think I'm like a quarter of the way.
Oh,
hand quilted.
excellent.
Yeah.
You got distracted.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
need a little break.
yes,
Like,
you
watching
can't just
TV.
you
No.
can't just sit there. Not with these hips. But I'm also working on Wensleydale,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm doing this.
I know. Look
So
at you with all your projects.
Look at my hand quilting, my foundation paper piecing, and
curves.
curves. template, and curves. Look at me go.
Yes, excellent. I had a thought, and it's already. Oh, I know what it was. Speaking of putting things off, and then it only took 5 minutes. We have a new little feature on our website, which yes. I don't know why I had such a mental block about putting it on there, but it literally took 5 minutes to add it. And I think you guys will love it. So it's a new, if something's sold out, which,
it happens sometimes.
Sometimes I suck at my job and it happens a fair bit.
You can't help, if you order something though and it sells out within a day, how are you supposed to foresee that?
Well, I don't know, but it happens. So there's now, under the sold out button, there's a little button that says notify me. Mm-hmm. And so if you click that and you enter your email, you can choose to sign up for our email in that box too. Or if you already get our emails, just don't
check it.
Don't check it.
Yeah.
Anyway, you submit it, and then when it comes back in stock, it automatically sends you an email that says, hey, this is back in stock.
As soon as we punch that new quantity in there, it says, hey,
oh man, sends you an email.
And we tested it and everything, and it works.
So we're very excited about it. And
yes.
literally, I think it took 10 minutes yesterday.
Yes, because our current system
Relies too heavily on me. And that is a weak. That's a.
So, like what we kind of have been doing, like, if you want something, we'll put your name on. And when it comes back in, we'll give you a call. But like that doesn't get done like necessarily in the moment. Like that's a thing where it's like, if somebody has time, it's like you check the special order list, who's there, what do we have? You give them a call or email them. But sometimes by then it's like, it's actually been in stock for a week at
Or
that
more.
point, or like could possibly be sold out again because
Stuff happens.
And so this way you just get notified right away, and you don't need
so
to rely
exciting.
on us like having a few minutes to do that, because sometimes a few minutes around here is maybe that should be my end of the day activity.
That does not seem phoning people. I think does
No,
not seem like the
that's-
end of the day activity.
Nobody wants that tone.
So yes, we are very excited about it.
Yes.
It doesn't take much to make us happy over
No.
here, but
And
that's how we roll.
it's great for you guys, it's great for us, it's great for everybody. There's not a downside.
No. I mean, the nicest 100% human, not a bot chat guy yesterday support.
He said.
That's what he said. 100% human, not a bot. Sam, he was very helpful in
Yes.
setting up the little app plugin. And yes, so great. So yeah, that's what we have. And hopefully we have some fabric showing up for you for next week. I really hope so.
I believe in it.
So, we're closed for Good Friday.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Closed tomorrow for Good Friday. So
Open Monday though.
yes. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Bye.